CP Hyderabad, Shri Mahendra Reddy Garu, Chief Guest for the function. Shri Anjani Kumar Garu, Additional CP, Law and Order, Hyderabad. My dear colleague, Mr. Rangnath, all senior officers of Traffic Wing, teachers, faculty members of schools, other institutions, judges for the events, and my dear children. Good evening all. You all know that Hyderabad City Traffic Police arranges painting, cartoon and I am happy to inform you that nearly 700 plus students have participated in the program and we got a very good response. I must thank all the children, especially children. In spite of holidays of school, they have come in large numbers and participated in the program. I know it was holiday for you, but still you made for the event. I must, from like city police point of view, I thank all of you personally for your such a response. You all know that during this week ending 21st of October every year, we observe commemoration week for all the police officers who lost their lives during discharge of duty. You all know that the event started when one of the small group of CRPF personnel went to China border and they were killed during the event. Thereafter, every year we commemorate lives of all the police personnel who lost their life during the year. This year also, this week is being observed as commemoration week. Here, every year we see that nearly hundreds of policemen die during their discharge of duties. You know, this country is facing a lot of problems like Naxalism, we have terrorism, we have other kind of problems, and during discharge of various duties, they have been laying their lives. Children, you should know, and all of you should know that it is happening every year. More than 500 people are getting killed. And this is what I feel is the biggest sacrifice any individual can do for a country. Giving away life. It is the biggest sacrifice somebody can do for their country. This is what several people have given their lives for safety and security of the citizens. So it is our duty to remember them by name and recognize their sacrifices. Today, a lot of students have come, they have participated in their lot of programs, and I must congratulate them that the kind of understanding they have about policing, it is clearly visible in their artwork which is displayed in front of this hall. I was surprised to see some of these students in one painting, they have reflected most of the problems which our country faces or our state faces. Even chain snatching, ISI problems, traffic problems, what not. Moreover, because the topic was citizen-friendly police, so they have highlighted that aspect also, that what police is doing for citizen-friendly policing. In traffic police, we have taken up some of the initiatives for citizen-friendly policing. You all know that now traffic police does not collect any amount from any citizen, even if there is a violation. they only give them challan, and later on it is to be paid at various payment gateways. But no policeman is supposed to collect any fine amount on the road. This is done keeping citizens' welfare in mind. We have thought of that police should be very, very friendly, and in no way we should cause any inconvenience to general citizens. Therefore, we have started this practice, and I must tell all of you, I must share with all of you, we feel proud of it because this has happened first time in this country. Any city doing cashless enforcement, first time it has happened in this city, in this country, any city. So we feel proud of it. Then you all know that we have started body-worn camera for police officers, so that behavior of police officers and public interacting with the police officers is socially desirable. People should feel that they have a good interaction. So we have initiated this body-worn cameras. Recently, you know, as a citizen-friendly initiative, Hyderabad City Police has launched 2 mobile apps. One is Hawkeye, wherein so many applications are there, one can go to Google Store and download it free. Recently, this week only, we have launched another traffic mobile app, which is called, you can see the traffic situation of Hyderabad live. If one has the smart mobile, he can see, he presses that icon and he can see what is the traffic congestion at several places in city. One can decide their route for going to their destination. Very important feature in that is one can, because there is a lot of complaints about auto fares. Every auto demands more money. So we have launched an icon in the app wherein one can estimate the approximate auto fare. If you press the destination, that where you have to go from the origin, you can find out the approximate fare. You can always tell this auto driver that, see, this is the fare which is expected. Moreover, we are coming with one advanced feature in this mobile app, wherein if an auto person or a taxi person refuses to ply, demands more money, or he misbehaves with anyone, you can always make a complaint, and our traffic officers will immediately respond. If you make a complaint, the call will go to the traffic officer, current call will go, and he will immediately respond and give proper services to the citizen. So this is the kind of technology we are using. Only the purpose is the citizen should feel safe and secure. So I don't want to take much of your time, and I still thought that these are the 2 things which you must know, and so that you can feel safe and secure in Hyderabad city streets. I once again thank all of you for coming here and participating in the function in a big way, and I especially thank teachers from various institutions and school management that they could mobilize so many students in spite of holidays. They also spared their time in spite of holidays and came and made this program successful. I thank our Commissioner sir for taking out time from his busy schedule and making it possible to come for this function. I also thank Additional CP Law and Order, though he had other meetings, but still he made a point to come and share his feelings with all of you. I thank one and all. I again congratulate all those people who won the prizes, and definitely I feel those who have not won will make more efforts and maybe get prizes next time. Thank you. Good evening. Jai Hind.